Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create meetings on Amazon Chime. Keep watching the video till the end. To create meeting on Amazon Chime, firstly open your Amazon Chime application. The home page of Amazon Chime will appear on the screen. Tap on Instant. On the next page, click on Next. Enter contact name to whom you want to invite to this meeting and tap on Start. This is how you can create meetings on Amazon Chime application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.